Today I'm adding a couple of cat stickers to the back of my planner. I have the purple cat that I drew, and then I painted him with acrylic paint, purple paint, and then of course for the feet and eyes and the whiskers I used some black and white acrylic paint. And then I have another cat that I drew, and he's on a gray rug, and I painted him a golden acrylic paint and green eyes. I love those green eyes. And then the inner ears of the cat are gray. And so I'm going to place these cats on my planner. I'll go ahead and start with this one. Let's see, the sticker was really easy to make once I designed the cat, drew him, and then painted him. And so I'm just applying the sticker to the back of my planner. I really like that. I think that's cute. And then let's do the next one. It's the purple cat, and so I'm just removing the backing of the sticker. There we go. And then I think I'll just place him right here in the center bottom part of the planner. So there we go. And I love this because it makes a wonderful conversation piece, and the cats are really really cute. Subscribe to my channel, follow, leave a comment, help me to build the channel. Thank you.